I'd like to show you one of my favorite gardening tools. It's called a Hydrohyde gardening glove. And I didn't know this last year when I bought them, but it is made from recycled plastic bottles, which is awesome. Now, I got mine locally, but you can get this through my Amazon affiliate link down below. I'm going to put on the ones that I wore last year after I went through, I don't know how many pairs of those rubbery ones. I'm sure you've seen those. I wore holes in about 10 pairs. I was digging rocks to redo my rock garden, and these don't have holes. They're getting a little worn, but they've been through a lot. So I did buy 2 more pairs this year. So here's a brand new one, and they come in different sizes. You'll really like this baby, let me tell you. And it's water resistant.